How to create a Patreon account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, open up any web browser. Now on the search bar, search for Patreon and press enter. Then on the search results, you're going to find different options. Click on the first one that says Home Patreon. Once you click on this option, the official page of Patreon is going to open up. Read through all of this, then click on the Continue option to create your Patreon account. Now here you first have to name your Patreon. A default name is already given. If you want to change that, you can edit it as well. Now if your page is not suitable for people under 18, check this box. After that, click on the Next option. On the next page, you can connect your social accounts. Click on Connect for the options below if you want to do that. Then click on the Continue option. If you think you are eligible for a free consultation, you want to fill up this form. After that, click on the Submit button. You can also skip this by clicking on the Not Now option. And once you do all of this, your new Patreon account will be created. On the left-hand side, you have different menus that you can use. Click on the Create option to start. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.